Hello and welcome. I'm assuming that you have seen the first video and set up the app. In this video, let's walk through app's features. On the landing page, you will see the list of all upcoming conferences. The conferences that are shortlisted based on the preferences you entered earlier are listed in the recommended section. In the next version, the recommended conferences will be displayed on the main page itself. In case you want to search conferences that are different from your preferences, then you can use the search button or filter button based on what you're looking for. Through the search button, you can search using single criteria like industry, sub-industry, subject, or location. The app will search to the title, description, and location of the conference to narrow down the search results. If you want to do a complex search using multiple criteria to narrow down further, then you can use the filter button at the top. Let's look at the details included with each conference. If you select a conference, then the app will provide the dates of the conference, information about the conference, and location map on the first tab. You can also add the conference to your calendar by clicking on the plus sign. You will see 3 buttons below. Through this, you can request additional information from the conference organizers or provide feedback to them. Currently, this comes to us and we share that with the organizers, but in the future, this will be a direct integration with the organizers. The Send Info to Others option can be used to send the conference detail to your friends and colleagues by entering their emails. This goes directly to them with any comments you may have added. Then next is the Agenda tab, on which each day's agenda is provided in a cell or a block to separate multi-day agenda. The third tab is the Pricing tab, and it provides pricing information and available discount codes and timeline. Also, note that for your convenience, the Register button is provided at the bottom. This will take you directly to the organizer's registration page. Isn't that convenient? Not only do you have all the information that you need right here, but you don't even have to find the website to register. We do all the work for you. And we will also provide special pricing for select events in the future. So there will be exclusive pricing only available to CONFR users. More reasons to rejoice, right? On the conference information, you will notice 2 buttons, the Attend button in blue and the Heart or Like button in orange. If you like a conference and you haven't made up your mind yet, then you can select the Heart button. If you have made up a decision to attend a conference, then you can select the Attend button. Remember the notification we selected in the beginning? They will come in handy here, and the app will notify you of the event based on what early notifications you selected then. We will also add additional functionality around these 2 selection criteria in the future. Now let's go to the personal page. Here you can add your picture, change profile settings, and also look at the conferences you liked or are going to attend. You can remove the like or attend selection by selecting those buttons again, and conference will be removed from the list. The last is the settings page. Here you can change your preferences that we walked through in the first video. Use the Contact Us function to write to us for any feedback, questions, or suggestions you may have. We would love to hear from you, so do take a moment to write to us. You can also review the terms of use and privacy policy here. So these are the app functions in a nutshell. The app is super easy to use and provides you with tons of features and functions to make your life easier while providing you timely information to save you money. So hope you like the app and you will share it with your friends and colleagues. Remember, the more users we have, the better it is for everyone, and we'll be able to get you better deals and better conferences. So thank you again, and best wishes from Team CONFR.